guys, and welcome to another Wee Wednesday. I am so excited to be doing this one. I'm surprised I haven't actually done this one yet. So today's anime is gonna be based off of Tokyo Ghoul. Now Tokyo Ghoul is one of my favorite animes, so I'm not sure how I haven't done this one yet. So to start off, I'm gonna be taking a brown color and just kind of giving more definition to my eye. So I'm gonna start with underneath, and I'm patting that in. And then I'm taking that up into my crease. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. So now that I've got that brown on my lid and blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and take some eyeliner and do a big wing. Starting at the edge, I am dragging that line out. And then almost but not quite to the tip, I'm pulling that line in here. Right till I get to my hooded eye. And then I'm gonna be dragging this line across my eyelid. Connecting these two. And of course, also doing a little inner eye wing. So to represent Kaneki in the second season, we're going to be doing a centipede across my eye here. Now to do the centipede, I'm going to be taking some red lipstick, a flattish brush, and I'm taking that red lipstick and I'm gonna be making circles, circle-ish shapes around my eye. So starting under my eye, I'm making this shape. Okay, and just under it. Okay, so now I've got the bottom half of the centipede done. I'm going to do the same thing at the top of my eye. Now that I've got basically the shape of how I want the centipede to look on my face, I'm going to take an old eyeliner brush and the same lipstick, and I'm just going to draw legs coming out of the circle body part. And now I'm going to connect all of those dots together by just kind of putting some lines in between them here. I'm just gonna do that for the rest of it. All right, now that I've got that done, I'm gonna go ahead, do my eyebrows, my lipstick, get ready. I will be right back so you guys can see the finished product. Bye. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to watch Tokyo Ghoul. It's honestly a really good anime about a boy who finds himself changed. Suddenly he's no longer the person that he was before, and he's just coping with that and figuring out this new world that he's in. It's a really good anime. I recommend it. I did not like Tokyo Ghoul RE, but that's beside the point. You should still watch all of it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch. I can't wait to see you guys next Monday for my next makeup tutorial, and I love you guys. Bye!